first of the wild storms to come. And the worst part, the eastern states are going to cop it as well. Is that sliding door shut? Are the sliding doors all shut?
Yes.
Oh, cool. The worst. Stand here.
Stay here.
The worst, you know, the worst part?
I'm trying to think which windows. Everything. Oh! That's a bummer, that one.
Well, it's right on top of us.
That's what I said, it's just a bummer.
Get in here.
Look at it, it's raining.
Where are the dogs?
Don't worry about it. Oh, look at it. They might be able to get their dogs in on David.
Yeah, hope so.
Yeah, you're not David. You go out there. Stand up. You'll get wet. You'll get wet. Put this one here. Come here, where's the sit meal? What's wrong, Tasha?
Please take your phone.
See there, look.
Oh my God.
I
can't believe it's raining.
Well, the gutters are just overflowed.
Where? See him dreaming.
No.
Oh!
Oh yes, it's raining! Oh, my front door!